going to continue on. This time we are journalizing and posting our closing entries. So still, all of our numbers we're using
What are you doing laughing at?
are coming from the worksheet.
Everybody.
So the first thing we need to look at and close is sales. So sales is on line 11. Okay, it's $5,511. Is that a debit or credit?
Credit.
Okay, so to close it, we have to do what?
Debit.
Okay, so we're going to flip over to page 158.
Cereal.
Those of you that were gone yesterday, start writing on line 6. Line 6, we're going to write closing entries. Line 7, our date is the 31st. Okay, just like yesterday where we focused on putting our debit account first, we want to think that here. So what is the sales going to be our debit? Okay, so we'll write sales. We still have no document number. So we'll just go over to our general debit, and it is the $5,511. And what are we closing it to? Income summary. So we're just going to write that on the next line. Income summary. And it's a credit of $5,511. Okay, I'll flip back over to 167. Okay? No, that's where we get our numbers from. Okay, so on 157, the next thing we're closing are our expenses. How many expenses do we have?
4.
Okay, are they debit or credit? Okay, they're debits. So we're going to list them as what?
Credit.
Okay, so we'll flip back to 158. So we'll do the 31st. So if they're all going to be credits, what will be our debit? Income summary. So we'll just write income summary there. No, we already wrote the date. Date's the 31st. We're going to write income summary, but we're not going to know an amount yet because we already established we're going to do a total. So we won't write anything in there yet. Then you're just going to list your expenses in the same order from the previous page. So our first one is advertising expense. And it's a credit of $821. Next is insurance expense. You need to write expense on those, please, Caitlin. An insurance expense is a $300 credit.
Okay, now you know.
$300. Then we have miscellaneous expense. And it is $347. And our last one is supplies expense. It is a credit of $713. Now we need to add those 4 numbers together so we know what we're going to put in our income summary. Okay, so our income summary debit, so we already wrote that there on line 9, is $2,181. Okay, we have time to probably do one more here. So flip back to page 157. The next thing we have to close is our capital. So our capital, is that a debit or Sorry, we're closing our net income. What's our, sorry, my net income is what? Okay, it's a debit of $3,330. So we close our net income into capital. So our date there is the 31st. Okay, since this is a net income, our first account, the debit account, is going to be income summary.
Well, yeah, but I didn't have to clean my own.
Online, right? Income summary.
What are they talking? Jack's like, I know I didn't have to clean my own stuff.
The debit is $3,330. Okay, we close this into capital, so on the next line, Darlene Wong, capital.
Where are these old aliens?
And that's a credit of $3,330. If you have a net loss, it will be the opposite. The capital will go first, the income summary will be the credit. Okay, we can go ahead and stop it there. Okay, we have a little bit more to do, but we will work on that tomorrow.